Kelp one or fish?
I'm not sure. It felt like it was shaking his head.
Maybe a big halibut. Let me know if you need a gap. Is it shaking its head at all? Just kelp. Okay, leave it in the water. When it goes. Woo! All right. Legal halibut. There we go, legal halibut. Ron just caught it. Today we're fishing aboard the Outrider. We're here at Catalina Island, and we just started fishing this morning. Nice halibut. Ron got that on the bottom. We're fishing whole squid?
Yeah,
Dropper loop and whole squid. Well, that's what we're going to be doing today. Fishing here at the island for the Outrider, looking for calico bass, yellowtail, maybe white sea bass, and definitely a halibut or two.
Hi, my name is Mike Schad. Welcome to the Cabrillo Marine Aquarium. Here at the aquarium, I'm standing in front of our kelp tank, which is an aquarium that shows you the kind of fish you find in a kelp forest right here off Southern California. One of the fish that everybody really identifies with is called a kelp bass or a calico bass. I think one of the reasons people like it is because it's beautiful. It blends in with the environment so readily. Calico bass, kelp bass are very common in our local kelp forests. They really are kind of an iconic kelp forest inhabitant.
He's got something, so I'll get everyone.
Nice bass.
Oh, big bass.
Nice calico bass set Catalina Island on a bucktail.
There we go. Just got bit on a bucktail. I don't know if it's a bass or a blue perch. See what it is. Nice calico. There we go. Legal calico bass. Got that on the bucktail with the whole dead squid pinned on there, and just let it flutter down. And this is what we're looking for, and hopefully we run into some white sea bass too. Nice calico bass, cut on a B52 bucktail. Go ahead and let this one go. Well, we're going to take a little break from the action here aboard the Outrider at Catalina and go to the tackle box and show you the gear we're using for today's type of fishing.